Hayibo guys, niphinde iqunjelwe ngumfana yintoni elizwe le-AFCON le-30 Frenchman iCameroon, kwaseCameroon lo mfana. Ndiyafika eAmerica ke ngela xesha. You are on man. Yo, kunzima kwisijolo se-AFCON. So at this point ndiyafika eAmerica. Ndandinibalisele mani esi story soba ndigxothiwe. Ndigxothwe emsebenzini, you understand? Ndhlala netshomi yam yaseKenya, yenye iAFCON ke leyo. So ugel waseKenya ke siyahlala siyavana ke netshomi yam yaseKenya, akho nto ibitheni, you understand? Ngoku itshomi yam yaseKenya ifumane umntu. Tell me why this girl ifumana umntu just nje out of the blue, umntu womlungu. And itshomi yam ke le yaseKenya bathanda belungu. Nako ndibetray. Uyandigxotha ke uba mandithi move out of le apartment yakhe because kuzawumuva in lo mlungu, lo mfana womlungu. Ufuna umlungu so bad uba uzawumuva in iphara, ade ndigxothe for el phara lo mlungu. Udibene naye lo mlungu eklabhini only to find out uba lo mlungu akanandawo yakhe yohlala, ngumlungu nje olambileyo lo. Now ndigxothiwe, I'm just in between places, you understand? And at this point iimpahla zam zisekwakhe uJen. On this day yo ndandizawuhamba nomfana wase andihamba ndiyaphi, ndi-homeless. But ndizawuhamba nomfana waseCameroon, okay, you understand? Okay, fine, ngabula msebenzi. Particularly umgxotho wam, something about the outfit, it left me neTimberland. Guys, esihlangwini nazo iTimberland. Yebona iTimberland. Those are the only shoes that I had on, iTimberland. So I'm like, I don't know, but there was something about me couldn't go back to uJen, ndiyothatha isuitcase okanye uJen wayemkile nomlungu. Something was happening, but iimpahla zazingekho and ndandinxibe iTimberland. Now I'm trying to put the outfit together and ndinxibe ijumpsuit. Ndinxibe ijumpsuit, but yonke le nto ihamba neTimberland. Afike umfana. Guys, afike umfana waseCameroon uba siya kwi-date, you understand? So ndimbona ngofika kwakhe uba akatyhilekanga and I just don't understand. I'm just like, oh, I'm excited, we're supposed to be going out. Okay, fine, ngabe nomsebenzi sihambe ke nomfana. Uqumbile mna akekho excited lo mfana ngale date and I'm just like, I don't get what's going on, but ndiyahamba ke anyway. Sifike pha, uyamazi ugirl Mzansi for sure. Xa sifika pha I'm like, okay, this is perfect, let me just dance. So I'm dancing. Ndiyamqumbisa wes. Okay, I'm having a drink and then you know the vibe is going on at this party or situation. And apha kukho iitshomi zakhe okanye some people and then we're having fun. Akafane ncokolise man this night. It's so weird because mna like qala uncokola like when we're together, like it's usually nje ba, you know, we're having a conversation. This time around akancokolisi sana ku-dry. So I think at this point, you know, I'm trying to say light drinks and life is like, you know, we're just sikhilekile at this point eklabhini, you know, for some reason nje ivele imood yatshintsha kule date yabo. It's in a dancing place yonke le nto le date, and so khumbula uba saseklabhini or somewhere, but it was a dancing place. Azothi kumbanga bana, you know, they were like your vibe, but it's just like, man, like, you know, I told you we're gonna go out, but how can you just show up unxibe Timberland? He finally found an opportunity to break the silence. I didn't even realize there was anything wrong. I was just having fun. I was just having fun, good date. Not knowing all along about him dike umfana wabantu. Guess Timberland is nxibileyo. Now that I think about it, I'm like, Timberland nyani, they're just giving gumboots. Gumboots. Inoba it was embarrassing to him because abafana bakweza country is influenced by French. If you ever notice about Thai fashion, they dress up. O Congo, Cameroon, dresswa apha ke phaya. O Senegal, basithenga impahla zabo eFrance, ne-perfume zabo French. They do have taste when you get correct ones, not abasezilalini. They do have taste. So now that I look back and I'm just thinking to myself, Lomfana, we're still like in contact with Facebook. I mean, Facebook, we're still on Facebook. Ndiyambona even nango like ethanda style, ethanda fashion, ethanda unxiba, you know. I mean, it was just a desperate time. You know, I know how to pull a number too. I can pull a number. But yeah, I'm disappointed sana ngalandela Timberland that night. And you know, I could see he's unhappy. But yeah, I didn't know all along uqunjiswe Timberland yam. Nama ndizibona off ngale Timberland yafika ndiyajiva. Can you imagine ujiva nge Timberland enkulu? Ndibokhala gqum gqum gqum. Ifloor yonke. Oh my God. I'm just thinking about it because I'm like, it's such a big deal. Kanti mina mntu akaba undandisiza ne-personality. Personality. I didn't realize. Guys, this was like almost a decade ago. So please, I'm just telling you the story. I'm about to go get ready. I'm going out. I just wanted to come and tell you guys. And this is about Timberland. Be healed. Guys, please don't forget to go subscribe to YouTube. I'm new Story Time. I love you. Bye.